America, a community of builders, craftsmen, and designers. Ordinary people with extraordinary ideas. The only one missing is you. At Makers Row, we are changing the landscape of American manufacturing by opening the doors to the best factories in the country. And together, we are bringing Made in America back. At Makers Row, all you need is an idea, and we show you how to do the rest. Here, you will find the best factories in the United States, from craftsman studios to state-of-the-art facilities. Our user-friendly interface makes it easy for you to find the perfect manufacturer for your ideas. Our factory profiles include location, facility photos, product samples, and much, much more. Instead of hopping on a plane, you can visit factories across the United States with Makers Row videos. Get to know the people behind the products with our interviews, factory tours, and making of videos that give you a first-hand look at how products are being made today in the U.S.
My name is Ush. I'm one of the owners here at Universal Elliott Corp. It's a family-run business between myself and my father.
If you've never made a product before, you're going to love this. We explain the steps you can follow to turn a simple idea into your very own product. We are creating this for American designers, innovators, and visionaries of tomorrow. You are the makers. Welcome to Makers Row.